Now, Friday night is one of my favorites. It's Picks in the Park at Hidden Creek Park West in Hillsboro. This week, they're showing you How to Train Your Dragon, the 2025 live-action movie. And here's the part I love. It's free! Activities and entertainment starts at 7:30 p.m. and the movie starts around dusk. Bring your blanket, low back chair, bring your own snacks and drinks, maybe some cards, Uno. You got yourself a family movie night without the movie theater price tag. And don't forget, Hidden Creek Park West itself is fun, free destination. There's a stream, sand and rocks where kids can get creative and play. Friday morning, there's also Rec Mobile at Pio Park in Beaverton from 9:30 to 1 with games, arts, crafts, and other kid-friendly events. Then we hit Saturday and there's a lot going on. For girls ages 11 and up, there's the Girls in the Game at Tualatin Hills Athletic Center from 9 to 11:30. It's free! It includes soccer, basketball, and volleyball clinics, followed by a keynote speaker. And in Hillsboro, there's a community mural painting event during the farmers market from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. where the community members can help paint a new mural celebrating the people, places, and natural areas that make Hillsboro so special. Then you can head out to the Sunflower Festival to find more Wildwood crows, check out the library activities, or just enjoy one of the most amazing local parks. And finally, Sunday, August 23rd is your last chance for some of the summer events. It's the last day of the Stafford Acres Sunflower Festival. It's also the final day of the Washington State International Kite Festival in Long Beach, Washington. If you want to take a little trek. And if you don't want to make the drive, you can stay closer to home, find more Wildwood crows, visit a park, hit a splash pad, or check out another local farm. And speaking of splash pads, don't forget that Hillsboro has several free water play options this time of the year, including Hidden Creek Park East, Magnolia Park, Walnut Street Park, Aranco Woods, and others. So there you go. August 17th to the 23rd, the last big push of summer. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to make memories. Sometimes it's a splash pad, sometimes it's a blanket on the grass watching a movie. It's chasing giant crows around Portland. It's a sunflower field, farmer's market, Shakespeare in the Park, or a free community event. That's what I love about living here. There's so many ways to have a great summer without breaking the bank. I'll put the details and the links below for all these activities with videos so you can find the ones that work best for your family. Now, go make some summer memories because school is right around the corner.